Hello, and once again, you're welcome to my channel, How to Know. And today, as you know, it's a new year, and here is a new year bonus, a new year announcement from the Gate.io, from where you can earn easily $10 or more than $10 by referring the link to your friend. Okay, so let's see how it works. First of all, you need to be a part of Gate.io. To be a part of Gate.io, please go in description section and please find the link for sign up. Okay, after clicking the sign up, you will get some like username and password. After sign up, you can log in your Gate.io account. After login in Gate.io account, just you have to go in more option. On clicking on the option, here as you can see announcements. Just you have to click on the announcement. After clicking on announcement, you can see here new year referral program for $30 for inviting one friend. It means you will get $30 from the every friend which you are inviting. Okay, so I would like to invite you also, okay, to wish a happy new year. Just get sign up on Gate.io and refer this link to a friend and earn $30. Okay, so for be a part, just go in description section and click on link. After that, get sign up, then generate a link by this, participate this. Just you have to click on here. After clicking, you can see here happy new year first of all, and the company is launched is the existing user invite friend to have a try to contact bonus and joining a complete without true. Welcome to Gate.io Futures. Due to the increasing the popularity of the perpetual contracts trading, Gate.io launched a contract bonus campaign in mid-August to reward both new and existing users of the services. Okay, the campaign was also one of the aim to promote better service and product. Okay, so to participate in, you can see here the duration of the this activity. This announcement is from the 1st January 2022 to 17th January 2022. Here is some typo mistake. So it is from 1st January 2022 to 17th January 2021. So just you have to click on this form to participate in this. So let's see. Here I am clicking on this page, and there is a new page will be open from 1 January to 7 January. Okay, there is a typo mistake over here, and I will inform also the Gate.io. Here I can also see. Okay, so just process to participate in this. The first step is complete the participant form, transfer more than 200 USDT from spot account to contract account, follow us on Twitter and join Telegram page. You will get $10. Okay, second option, to earn $20. Just $20 future bonus for inviting one friend. Both can get 20 each. Okay, to get $20, just you have to complete participation form. After that, for successful referral, both referee and referrer can get 20 contract bonus after the referrer complete KYC and achieving perpetual contract trading volume over the $1,000. The referrer can get much as 480 contract bonus. Okay, and also you can get $10 for the future bonus inviting by the one friend to join you to your troop. To complete this activity, just step one is the complete the KYC, complete the participation form, then complete KYC and transfer 200 USDT from your spot account to contract account of form up the true of the future trading and complete page a new user. So just you have to enter here your UID. Just you can find here Just my UID is 702850, which is my referral code also. So you can use my referral code 702850. Okay, here I will be use 702850. This is my referral code also, and 702850. Correct. Okay, just here some question is asking new user or existing user. Just I am invited as a new user, inviting friend as an inviter. Just I have to click here. Okay, there is both option. If you are new user, then you have to click here, and if you are inviter, then just you have to click here. Then after, just your telegram username, whatever. My name is Pramod Kumar. Then I have to put my telegram address here, and my Twitter handle profile is ekumar03. You can find over the Twitter. Okay, just you have entered, and you have to submit the page. After submitting, a confirmation page will be open that will confirm you are like referred. Just you have to click here. After clicking, you will get and a confirmation that thank you for sharing. Then from this link which you have generated just now, it will be shared on your Twitter handle and your Telegram page. If any of one of your friend is joining using that link, then you will get $20. So hurry up, please sign up, get the link from the description, and get 10% from over there. And after inviting a friend, get $30 as a bonus from the each friend which you have invited. So thank you all for watching this video, and please do like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much.